Hey, LME family. How y'all doing? Please drop below where y'all from and where y'all at and what y'all currently doing. So, I decided to install my U-part wig. So, I started off by cutting off all the lace. I wanted something quick, of course. I don't like to sit long for anything, but I wanted to try something different and quick because my children was ready to go. And you know when kids ready to go, they ready to go because they have no patience. So I was like, let me go ahead and do my U-part wig. So I'm just showing you everything that it comes with. I took out the combs because I don't like anything really attached to my head too much or whatever. And as you see, she is thick with 2 C's and a K. All right, so now I'm just braiding down my loose ends, and then I'm eventually crochet them and tuck them. But this is the braid pattern. I just did 4 braids down the middle, and then I just box braid the rest of them. I went ahead and used the oil that I normally use and the moisturizer on my hair, so my hair is moisturized. And it's just a really simple braid pattern. I braid the back part down. I wanted to switch it up a little bit because sometimes when you keep using the same braiding pattern, you might be I guess training your hair just to lay that way only type thing or something like that. Someone explained to me. But yeah, this is how I tuck in my ends, my little ponies and stuff. So now that I got that done. Oh yeah, and check out the back. I got my HD closures up in the back along with bundles. But now I'm trying to fit it to see how it fits. And I didn't cut off the tab in the back because that's what I used to make sure it's pulled down on the sides and everything since I took out the combs. And I feel like it's sitting good, but I want to make sure it look real natural because I heard the older crochet gets, it's supposed to look better. So I was like, let me see if I could do that with a wig. So that's where the idea came up at. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the back part so I could try to fit it again. All right, I'm liking how it is. Have you guys done anything like this before? If so, let me know. So this is me just starting off. This is my first time. I never done nothing like this before. This is just my first time doing something like this with crochet. Want to be quick and not take a whole lot of time because my children, my husband, they be ready. I'll be like, just give me 1 hour. Okay, that's it. Matter of fact, I tell them 30 minutes, but it really be an hour in my head. But they be knowing what's be going on too. But sometimes I surprise them. But I'm just trying to figure out how to crochet it in and lay it down like doing a pullover method. See? I got the right concept. So I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do it because I was gonna stop, but I'm like, nope, I ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna just keep at it. So watch me try to do this pullover method, like crocheting it in. I'm not even knotting it or anything. I'm just crocheting it over because I feel like as my hair continues to grow, then it will start to get like more secure because my hair is curly and it should attach to this hair. And it did do that when I like after it got wet and all that other stuff or whatever, because I tried to pull the wig up to see like if it was gonna completely come up, but it didn't. It stuck right onto my those braids, even though I didn't like tie the knots or anything like that. I'm just crocheting it on and then just pulling it over. But let me go ahead and let you watch. It's always that one side that wanna be so difficult. Like, for real. This side right here, I'm gonna have to figure it out. It's always that one side. Okay, it's coming along. It's giving a little something, something. I'm excited. LME's styling set foam smells so good. It'll be on the website soon. It complements She Got It Laid Edge Control. Let's get it blended in. I got a little too excited. I forgot I only did the pullover method, so I can't be pulling on it too much like that. But I know it's gonna catch with my natural hair, so I ain't even worried about it. Okay, so before I over manipulate and blend, let's just go ahead and lay these edges down. Okay, so I'm not an edge control artist yet. Well, I'm not even gonna say edge control artist. I'm not a baby hairs artist is what I should say. So this is how I do mine. When you get She Got It Laid Edge Control, she does come with a free gift, whether it be the comb that I'm using, comb and brush combo that I'm using, or a satin band to tie down your edges, or it might be a scratch one. Who knows? You might get even both. So I'm going in on the end with my styling set foam. It has the same scent as She Got It Laid Edge Control. So I'm going to go ahead and blend just a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges down with my satin edge band. Feeling you get when you know you wanted to give up but you didn't and you kept going even though you didn't know what you was doing. Look, yes, never give up.
See you tighten up. Do your dance, baby, gon' cut it up. Look back, drop it low, tear it up. I'm about my business, I'm about to run it up.
If you like what you see, please follow these 3 steps and support me. Thank you.
I know it's been a minute. I've been grinding, trying to get it out the city. Got a full of gas, talking cookies. Trying to get it, trying to save every penny. Bust down, let me see you tighten up. Do your dance, baby, gon' cut it up.